Good evening. Anything that we discuss today would be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights using live streaming technologies. You can follow along as I navigate the markets by trading in my own account, and hopefully, you will learn how I analyze the data in real time to make trading decisions. The purpose of making this video is to analyze Nifty options open interest data. We are going to be analyzing Nifty on multiple time frames and we are going to frame a view for 10th November, that is tomorrow. Apart from Nifty, we are going to discuss our stock watch list. If we analyze the open interest data for 12th November weekly expiry, you will see that highest open interest in calls are at 12,500 strike followed by 12,700 strike, and highest amount of open interest in puts are at 12,300 strike followed by 12,000 strike. So we are broadly trading in a range of 12,700 to 12,000 for 12th November weekly expiry, and you will see that on intraday basis we saw reduction in open interest in 12,100, 12,200, 12,300 strikes. So call option buyers have booked their profits and call option writers have booked their losses in these strikes, thereby leading to reduction in open positions. And you will see that highest amount of calls were written at 12,700 strike followed by 12,800 strike. And on the flip side, we saw highest amount of puts being written at 12,400 strike and 12,300 strike. If we analyze the option max pain, you will see that it has shifted from 12,150 to 12,300 levels. So if market were to expire on 12th November at 12,300 level, then option writers are going to suffer the least amount of losses theoretically. If we analyze Nifty on multiple time frames, you will see that market is under control of buyers above 11,697 on the monthly time frame, and today a new weekly time frame opened as well as a new daily time frame, and you will see that for this week, as long as market is above 12,399 levels, it would be under control of buyers on the weekly time frame as well. And if we see the daily time frame, you will see that since the break out of the inside candle to the upside, we have been trending higher, and we today opened with a gap up at around 12,399 levels, and we basically formed new yearly highs on Nifty. So based on the daily time frame, we get the following scenario for 10th November. Above 12,461 levels, we can trade towards 12,474, 12,514 levels, and potentially 12,539 levels. And on the flip side, below 12,408 levels, we can trade towards 12,367 levels, 12,339 levels, and potentially 12,302 levels. Now we are going to discuss our stock watch list for tomorrow. The stocks that we have chosen are all inside candlesticks, and you all know that inside candlesticks are formed when there is an equilibrium between buyers and sellers. So whichever the direction the market breaks, we'll be trading in that direction. So if market breaks today's highs in these stocks, we'll be looking for buying opportunities, and if we break today's lows, we look for selling opportunities in these names. And the stocks are Pidilite Industries, Shriram Transport Finance, Cummins India, and Ambuja Cement. If you see Pidilite, we look for buying opportunities above 1606.1 levels and selling opportunities in between 1586.6 levels. If we see Shriram Transport Finance, you will see that we look for buying opportunities above 858.8 levels and selling opportunities below 825.9 levels. If we see Cummins India, we'll look for buying opportunities above 461.2 levels and selling opportunities below 449.2 levels. Our final stock is Ambuja Cement. We look for buying opportunities above 252.1 levels and selling opportunities below 247 levels. And we would not be trading in between previous day range because as we have already discussed that inside candlesticks are formed when there is an equilibrium between both the buyers and sellers. So we'll be looking to trade in the direction of breakout. Either if we break the highs, we'll buy, or if we break the lows of previous day range, we'll look for selling opportunities. Before ending this video, I like to summarize that we are trading in a broad range of 12,700 to 12,000 level based on the overall open interest data, and the potential short-term range for tomorrow is going to be 12,500 to 12,300 levels, and above 12,461 levels we look for buying opportunities towards 12,474 levels, 12,514 levels, and potentially 12,539 levels. And on the flip side, below 12,408 levels, we look for selling opportunities to 12,367 levels, 12,339 levels, and potentially 12,302 levels. And we also have discussed that max main has shifted from 12,150 to 12,300 for 12th November weekly expiry strike, and we have also discussed that max main is the level at which if market were to expire, then option writers are going to suffer the least amount of losses theoretically. And we have also discussed our stock watch list for tomorrow. These are all inside candlesticks. The stocks are Pidilite, Shriram Transport Finance, Cummins India, and Ambuja Cement. So as they are inside candlestick, you just have to trade if we break previous day highs or previous day lows, and refrain from making any trades if they stay in previous day range. I would like to thank you all for watching this video. I would request you to see the description area of this video. There you will find link to what is digital trading floor, and you will find link to our recent blog posts. There we have discussed weekly scenario. Apart from that, you can also find links which provide information regarding various products that Samco offers to its customers. And finally, I would request you to hit the like button, share this video, subscribe, and like Digital Trading Floor YouTube channel.